Moscow, Russia has sent the second batch of 10 Su-35 fighter jets, NATO reporter named. Flankery to China under a contract signed in 2015, a source who knows Russian military and technical cooperation with foreign countries says to TASS. As many as 10 other aircraft have been delivered to customers, China will receive the remaining 10 aircraft by 2018, the source said. The Federal Service for Military Technical Cooperation declined to comment on the report. Earlier, a source close to military and technical cooperation told TASS that the first 4 jet fighters had been delivered by the end of 2016. In November 2016, Vladimir Trozov, Deputy Director of the Federal Service for Military Technical Cooperation, told TASS Russia began to fulfill the first phase of its contract with China. Russia and China reached an agreement for 24 Su-35 fighter jets, at least $2 billion, in November 2015. The contract also includes ground equipment and backup machines. The Su-35 is a versatile generation of Russian-made 4 supermaneuver fighter jets equipped with staged array radar and adjustable thruster. It can develop speeds of up to 2,500 km per hour and has a flying range of 3,400 km and a combat radius of approximately 1,600 km. The fighter jet is armed with a 30mm rifle and has 12 starting points for carrying bombs and missiles.